Hello, my dear friend. I want to thank you for being here today as we explore something truly special together. You may have heard about the incredible power of positive affirmations, but today I want to share with you a simple yet transformative technique that will unlock the hidden power within you. This is a technique that can shift your energy and help you manifest the life you desire, and it's much easier than you think. Take a moment to center yourself. Wherever whether sitting comfortably or standing, just allow yourself to become fully present. Feel the ground beneath your feet and the air around you. Now, gently place your hand over your heart. This is where we begin right here with this simple gesture. What you are doing is making a connection, a bridge between your mind and your heart, and this connection is where your true power lies. You see, many of us go through life unaware of the incredible energy within us, energy that can be harnessed for healing, growth, and creation. Often we are so caught up in the noise of daily life that we forget we are the creators of our experiences. But today I want you to note that you have the ability to shape your reality. The thoughts you think, the words you speak, and the beliefs you hold, all of these are powerful tools that either empower you or hold you back. But the beautiful thing is you can change them. Now, with your hands still resting on your heart, I invite you to breathe deeply. Inhale slowly, and as you do, imagine you are breathing in love, peace, and healing. Feel the air fill your lungs, nourishing every cell in your body. Hold that breath for a moment and then gently exhale, releasing any tension or negativity. Feel your body relax as you let go. This simple act of mindful breathing is a powerful first step in unlocking the hidden power within you. It allows you to calm the mind, center your energy, and open yourself to new possibilities. From this place of peace and stillness, you are better able to hear the messages from your higher self, the part of you that knows what is best for your soul's growth. As you continue to breathe deeply and keep your hand over your heart, I want you to begin speaking gently to yourself. Say, I am open to the infinite possibilities that life has to offer. I trust that the universe supports me in every way. These words are not just words, they are vibrations. And when spoken from the heart, they carry the energy of transformation. By affirming positive truths about yourself and your life, you are sending out a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive all the good it has to offer. This is the foundation of the technique I'm sharing with you today, the combination of self-awareness, heart-centered breathing, and positive affirmations. But there's more, because this practice is not just about saying nice things to yourself. It's about truly believing them and feeling them in every part of your being. Let's take it a step further. After you've spoken your affirmation, pause for a moment and notice how you feel. Tune into the energy in your body. Do you feel a sense of warmth, lightness, or expansion? This is your energy shifting, aligning with the truth of your words. The more you practice this, the more powerful the effect will be. You are literally rewiring your brain, retraining your mind to focus on what is good, positive, and possible for you. Now, some of you may be wondering, can it really be this simple? Can a few words and a bit of breathing truly change my life? The answer is yes, it absolutely can. But like any practice, the key is consistency. When you commit to speaking kindly to yourself every day, when you choose to focus on what you want to create rather than what you fear, you will begin to notice profound shifts in your life. But there's another important element to this technique, and that is gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions we can cultivate because it shifts our focus from lack to abundance. When you are grateful for what you have, even if it's just small things, you open the door for more good to flow into your life. So after you affirm your positive truths, take a moment to think of something you are deeply grateful for. It could be your health, your family, your home, or even something as simple as the sunshine on your face. Feel that gratitude in your heart and let it expand within you. This combination of positive affirmations and heartfelt gratitude is like a magnet, drawing even more blessings into your life. Another key part of this practice is to be gentle with yourself. There may be days when negative thoughts creep in, when you feel discouraged or overwhelmed. That's okay. It's all part of the process. The important thing is not to beat yourself up or feel like you failed. Simply acknowledge those feelings and then gently guide yourself back to the positive. Remind yourself that you are always learning, always growing, and that each day is a new opportunity to create something wonderful. As you continue this practice, you will begin to notice that not only are your thoughts changing, but so is your outer reality. Situations that once felt difficult will become easier. Opportunities will begin to present themselves, and you will feel more in tune with the flow of life. This is the power of your mind and heart working together. When they are in harmony, you are unstoppable. Now, I want to share something else with you. This technique is not just about manifesting material things or external success, though it can certainly help with that. It's about cultivating a deep sense of peace and self-love within yourself. It's about knowing that you are worthy just as you are and that you don't have to prove anything to anyone. You are enough. Right now, in this moment, you are whole and complete. When you truly think about this truth, everything else falls into place. You will stop looking outside of yourself for validation or approval. You will stop comparing yourself to others or feeling like you need to be more, do more, or have more. Instead, you will find joy in simply being. And from that place of joy, you will naturally attract all the love, success, and abundance that you desire. So as you go about your day, I encourage you to practice this technique. Place your hand on your heart, take a deep breath, speak your affirmations, and feel gratitude for all that you achieve, all that you have. Do this every day and watch as your life transforms in ways you never imagined possible. Remember, my friend, you are powerful beyond measure. You have the ability to create the life you want, and it all begins with the thoughts you think and the beliefs you hold. So choose wisely, choose love, choose joy, choose abundance, and watch as the universe responds. You are so deserving of all the good that life has to offer. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and know that everything is unfolding perfectly for you. Keep practicing, keep believing, and most importantly, keep loving yourself. The results will be nothing short of miraculous. Let's move deeper into another aspect of this technique that can profoundly change the way you approach life: intention. Setting a clear intention is like planting a seed in the soil of your consciousness. When you set an intention, you are not just hoping for things to happen, you are consciously directing your energy toward a specific outcome. Think of intention as a powerful signal you send out into the universe. It is the spark that ignites your ability to manifest what you desire. The key to setting intentions is to be clear and specific about what you want, rather than saying, I want to be happy, which is vague and can mean different things on different days. Get clear about what happiness means to you. Maybe happiness means feeling at peace with your past, or it could mean feeling fulfilled in your relationships. The more specific you are, the more aligned your energy will be with that outcome. And here's something you may not have considered: your intentions are most powerful when they are tied to your emotions. Why? Because emotion is the energy that fuels your thoughts and actions. So, as you set your intentions, I invite you to tap into how you want to feel. Do you want to feel loved, secure, confident, successful? Allow yourself to fully embody those feelings as if they are already a reality. When you do this, you are aligning your mind, body, and spirit with your desires. You are sending a strong, clear signal that you are ready to receive, and the universe will respond to that. Another powerful tip is to write down your intentions. When you put your intentions into writing, they become more tangible. It's like making a contract with yourself. Writing down what you want to create allows you to revisit those intentions, reaffirm them, and track your progress. It also helps to visualize your intentions as already being fulfilled. Picture yourself living the life you desire, feeling the joy and abundance that come with it. But here's the thing: once you've set your intention, you need to let go of any attachment to the outcome. That doesn't mean giving up on what you want. Instead, it means releasing any anxiety, fear, or pressure about how and when your intentions will manifest. Trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing and know that the universe is always working in your favor. Now, before we wrap up, I want to offer you a few additional tools that will enhance this practice. Consider incorporating daily affirmations that are aligned with your intentions. For example, if your intention is to attract more abundance, you might say, I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Another tool is to create a vision board, something visual you can look at each day that represents the life you want to create. This serves as a constant reminder of your goals and keeps your mind focused on what's possible. As we close today's session, I want to express my gratitude for your presence. You've taken the time to engage with powerful ideas that have the potential to create meaningful change in your life. Now it's time to take action. If this message has resonated with you and you feel inspired to unlock the power within, I invite you to like this video and let us know how this technique works for you. Your participation helps spread these messages to others who may benefit from them, so your love goes a long way.
And if you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel.
Subscribing will ensure that you never miss out on new insights, practices, and techniques that can continue to uplift and support you on your personal growth journey. Every time we release new content, you'll be the first to know, and who doesn't want to be ahead in accessing life-changing tools? For those of you who have already subscribed, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of this growing circle of wisdom seekers. But if you're new here, now is the perfect time to join us. So click that subscribe button and get ready to deepen your understanding of the incredible power you hold within. If today's message has brought any clarity, peace, or motivation to you, I encourage you to share this video with someone you care about. Just one share could be the very thing someone else needs to hear right now. So hit that like button and spread the love by sharing it with your friends or family. Now, as you move forward, keep an open mind and heart. The techniques we've discussed today are just the beginning of what's possible for you. Make sure to subscribe, because there's always more to learn, and the more you engage with this content, the more you will experience its benefits. Don't miss out on the next step in your evolution. Stay tuned, stay engaged, and keep this positive momentum going.